super random little upload. Not that I ever make videos or post or really do anything anyways on any type of social media, but the other day I had the guy ask me on Instagram. He was trying to take out his back seats of his EVO, and I was trying to explain it to him, but I'm not sure he really spoke English that well, or I'm not sure what was happening, but he wasn't understanding what I was saying. So I was like, all right, no big deal. I'm gonna just send him a video. Like, I'm sure someone's got a video somewhere showing how to take the back seat out of this car, and no matter what language that's in, he'll be able to watch it and it'll be able to help him. But I could not find a video anywhere of anyone taking their back seats out of their EVO. So I'm just going to show how to do it real quick. Let me move this shit real quick. So, getting the lower piece of the back seat out, super easy. All right. So you got one of these on each side, and all you do is pull it, and that releases the lower piece of the seat. So you pull it out like that, and pull the bottom piece up, and there's that side. Let me go do the other side. Same thing, pull it out, lift it up, and the bottom section of your seat comes out. So getting the top piece out, believe it or not, unless you absolutely want to, you don't have to take the seat belts out. If you're going to take them out, if you want to take everything out, it's just 4 bolts across the bottom. There's one here, one there, and one on the other side. Those are all 17s, just to go ahead and pull the seat belts out completely. But if you want to pull it out, you can just pull them to the side like this and slip the seat out in between them. But for pulling this back seat, same thing, super easy. There's only 3 bolts. You got one here, one there, and one on the other side. And then this whole piece will lift up because there's little hooks in the back. You got one sitting on this side, you got one somewhere in the middle, and then one on the driver's side. And then on the bottom, there's little posts that they slip into. So once you unbolt it, just kind of slide the seat up, and then you can pull it out, and then you're done. So that's pretty much all there is to it. It's super simple. I mean, literally takes no more than a couple minutes to get everything out. But just in case you didn't know how to do it, or couldn't find any information on how to do it, that's how. So, yeah,